Hi, everyone. I chose for the topic of my presentation, um, certified bookkeeping and that designation CB. So I titled this Everything You Wanted to Know About Being a Bookkeeper, but Were Afraid to Ask. The designation of certified bookkeeper indicates that the person holding this title is well trained to perform all of the basic necessary accounting functions. Although there's no state or federally required license to be a bookkeeper, there are organizations dedicated to certifying bookkeepers. These are both from not-for-profit and for-profit organizations. It involves specialized courses, examination, and refresher courses to maintain the designation. The duties of a certified bookkeeper are daily recording, invoicing, payroll, bank reconciliation, receiving payments, and paying invoices. In a small business, a person with a CB designation may perform all of the accounting duties within the business, which can include preparing for tax filing as well as audits. So the pros of entering this profession: while it's possible to begin working in an entry-level accounting clerk position without a certificate, with a certification, you are qualified for positions that will offer higher level of pay and a higher position if you are trained and have this designation. The CB certification requires specialized courses as well as work experience of at least 2 years full-time bookkeeping experience. You may also begin at a higher level of position with a certification. There may be more job opportunities available to you when you're able to show that you're fully trained for the job. A person who has a designation of CB shows potential and typically commands a higher starting wage as well as a higher position. Starting a bookkeeping business with a certification offers many advantages. The certification acknowledges your level of commitment, expertise, and trustworthiness. There are some cons of entering the profession. Being a bookkeeper can be monotonous. The tasks are generally repetitive. Depending on the position, there may be very little human interaction. It's not a public job. In busy times, there can be a great deal of stress. There's no room for error, and every mistake must be found and corrected. There's pressure to meet deadlines at certain times of the years. It is not physically challenging, but it can be mentally exhausting. So the education that's required for this profession, the requirements are very vague. There's no certification that's mandated by the state or the federal government. An associate degree in accounting is a good place to start when pursuing a bookkeeping position. The bookkeeping position does not require a specific license or certification. However, competition for employment can be fierce. As with any position, training, licenses, or certifications are always a benefit. With higher education and more experience comes better job opportunities and opportunities for advancement. Is the certification or accreditation required? Well, certification is not legally required for a bookkeeping position. An employer will be more attentive to candidate with certification over one that has no certification. There's more than one option to acquire a certification. To specifically earn the title Certified Bookkeeper with a CB suffix, the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers is a good place to start. For this designation, there is an examination, a requirement of 2 years bookkeeping experience, and a signed code of ethics. Ongoing courses are required to maintain the certification. The exam has 4 parts. The costs vary depending upon whether you're a member or not a member of their organization. The cost ranges from $200 to $300. There are other organizations that also provide a certificate. The National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers offers a Certified Public Bookkeeper CPB certification. The NACPB offers a bundle at a cost of $369 if you're a member, or $449 if you're not a member of their organization. The bundle includes an accounting fundamentals course, the exam, and the certificate. Coursera also offers online courses. There's a 4-course series with the Intuit Academy bookkeeping program. This includes an exam as well. The time required to prepare for this career is variable. There's no legal requirement for a license or certification, as there is with a certified public accountant. Bookkeeping is not regulated by any state or federal agency. The suggested courses with Coursera take an average of 2 months. They offer work at your own pace. The National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers offers a 13-week course. The American Institute of Professional Bookkeeper Certified online prep course is 99 hours long. Moore Park College also offers a certificate of achievement in accounting. This provides the needed skills for an entry-level bookkeeping position. It consists of 9 core units, which can be completed in 1 or 2 semesters. There's no official title given for this plan of study. However, it's a state-accredited college. Moore Park College also offers an associate's in science degree in accounting. The major course requirements are a total of 21 units. For this degree, the general education and elective units are also required, with a total of a minimum of 60 units. This can be completed with 15 units per semester in 4 semesters. In my personal opinion, it appears there are plenty of online offerings for certified bookkeeper courses. There's no regulation for what is actually taught in these programs. I feel there's a benefit for those wanting to get their foot in the door quickly and get working to have a certification. One of these online programs would definitely demonstrate more qualifications than someone applying to a job with no training. If at all possible, I think that a community college would offer better training and education. I would recommend looking at an accredited college. Courses taken at Moore Park or California State University system may have credit that can be transferred to other colleges. If I was a hiring manager and comparing resumes, I would consider that training and education from a state-accredited college has more weight. An entry-level bookkeeper can make between $28,000 to $35,000 a year in the United States. A certified bookkeeper can make from $50,000 to $67,000 annually. Salary is dependent on many factors. The amount and quality of education will affect salary. Job experience will also affect salary. Location affects salary. Large cities with large populations offer those higher amounts, and smaller towns will have lower paid positions. However, the cost of living is also lower in those areas. In the Los Angeles area, bookkeepers can earn an average salary of $55,000 to $73,000 per year. A full charge bookkeeper can earn up to $82,000 annually. As a rule, with a certification, salaries can be about $10,000 to $15,000 more per year. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I hope the information helped.